Hello friends, I am Dr. Sunil Sonar, a joint replacement surgeon, Sai Hospital Nashik and Wokad Hospital, Mumbai Central, Dadar Thane, Mumbai. Sometimes patients really come very late for the knee operations. Now you see this lady, her knee joints are totally deformed and the way she is walking is really very bad. So what happens when your knees, legs are deformed? The weight doesn't go through a straight line and the alignment of the knee joint gets disturbed. And in some cases, the patients can get fracture 4 to 5 inches below the knee joint. It is called a stress fracture. Now on the x-rays, we can see the fracture. Now this is the post-op x-ray. Here we have given the support of the small stem or a rod to the fracture. And this video is after 1.5 months. See how nicely she is walking. So don't delay the operation. Thank you.